Hello and welcome. I'm back today doing another collage following Barbara's December Daily Collaging 2020 prompts. And so today it's going to be a little different. I'm following a theme that it's the number 24, make a nature themed collage and add a sentiment. And so I dug through my ephemera envelope that I have of all the different cutouts I had, and then I dug through some scraps I had and different things. And so my nature theme is going to be probably a little different than what you're thinking of nature theme, but I found this little card that I think it's from I don't think I printed it out. I think that I cut it out from a paper pack that I had, an older paper pack, and it has, I don't know if you can see it good enough, but it has Santa with a fox and a raccoon and some chipmunks and a squirrel and bird and an elk. And so this inspired me for my nature theme today, and so I pulled it out, and I'm going to use it as the main focus of my page. And then I pulled out some of the ephemera that I had, some different things, and also the sentiment. My little sentiment is going to be peace on earth. And here's a scrap piece of paper I found. This is the size it was, left over from some tea dyed paper that I used in my journal. And then I had some little scraps I tore off of. I got a precious gift in the mail yesterday, and it had this wrapping paper on it. And I thought this would be perfect for the nature theme, so I tore off just 2 of the little Christmas trees from the wrapping paper. And then there's a little card that I'd printed out, ephemera piece that I had. So let's get started on making this collage page. So I'm thinking I'm going to start somewhere like this and glue him there. Let's see, and then this will go kind of like this. So I have to think it through here how I want to do it. Let's just try to lay it out and see what's going to look best on this page and how it's going to look best. Don't know if I'm going to do it like that. And then, okay, so yeah, let's start like that. I do kind of want it centered up on the page. I think that'll be pretty good right there. So let me start by putting down this card first. And I'm going to be covering up the Santa on it, but still I like the little postcard. I like the writing on it, the little stamp that's on it. So, and I printed a bunch of these out. I think this was actually a free file from Graphics Fairy. I think is where the Graphics Fairy, I think that's where this one came from. And so I've used a bunch of those in my journal this year. Let me see if I can get this glue out now. I think I'm about time to refill this bottle. It's just a very little left in it, so let's get this glued on. And I'm really enjoying these December dailies. It makes me have to think about what I am, the theme that, or the prompt each day really makes you have to think hard about how you're going to represent that one. And sometimes I wonder, like, I don't know if she had things in mind, and I don't know if I even mentioned this is from 49 Dragonflies Daily. And so it's the prompts that you can get from her YouTube channel. And I don't know, when she made these, did she have a vision of what we would be doing for it or not? So then I think to myself, okay, this may not even match what it really should be. But I really liked all these different things together. So I thought, well, it does look like nature. It does have a lot of animals in it, so that's kind of nature themed for me. So let's see, I think I'll put him, I think I'm going to put him right in here. So let's go ahead and add the Santa with all the animals. And I like how these collages can be something quick that you just do each day. And I was hoping to have done more, but I did not get as much time at the beginning of the month to work on them. So I thought, well, I will jump right in now and work on them. So I've had fun with them. Let me see, I think I want to add this little tree. I might want to slide him underneath here. So let's just add a little glue here. I'm about to fill this this journal up with my daily writing in it, and then with my daily writing in it, and then some of the pages that I've collaged or decorated, it's about to get full. And I'm sorry this glue is taking me so long to get out. But it's just, let me, maybe if I keep it upside down, it'll be ready for me. I'm gonna have to stop and refill it today. I knew I've been needing to, and I just hadn't done it. So I'm just gonna slide this in right here. Hopefully Santa isn't already glued down too long. So just slide it right there. Kind of trying to make a kind of a square look here. So, and then I've got this little bitty stamp that I printed out, and it's of, let me see if I can, it's of the two little fox and a little bird. So I thought that would go good with the nature theme. Let me get my ink down. I thought there might be enough left on my sponge, but it wasn't. Let me just sponge the edges here, kind of, so that it's really stark white, and everything else has got a dingier look. So I want to get it where it can blend in like it goes with the rest. I'm just going to go over it just a little, kind of give it a dingier look instead of, get rid of some of that stark whiteness that's in it. So it kind of blends. And it's okay that I crinkle it and kind of makes it look old and used, like an old used stamp. I think that's going to go there. I'm going to do the same thing through this Peace on Earth piece. I'm going to just add a little bit of brown to it as well, just so it all kind of goes together. So I think that's going to go there, and I think maybe like this. I don't want to cover the tree totally up. Let me go ahead and brown the edges of this as well. Well, it's almost Christmas, so have you, comment below and let me know, are you all ready for Christmas? Have you got all of your Christmas projects finished? Have you got all your Christmas wrapping done? I still have to wrap a few more things this afternoon, and so that's when I finish this, I'm going to go wrap some Christmas presents with the kids and get a few more things done to get ready for Christmas. So I'm gonna have to get it done because Christmas is going to be here before we know it. So, but I wanted to just stop for a moment and craft this one before I had to get started on working on all those things. Which I think wrapping Christmas presents is fun, especially when we're wrapping with the kids. We can have fun playing some Christmas music and wrapping some gifts and getting everything ready for Christmas. So this is just a quick little page that I made, and I like the Peace on Earth. And so I think I'm going to just try to go around here, and I see some stark white there, and I just really want to dingy it up a little bit. I don't like it sticking out like that, so just kind of, I should have done this before I put everything on the page, but it's working, so just going to add just a little to all the edges. Sometimes I don't realize I want to add it before I glue it on, and then once I glue it on, I'm like, oh, should have aged that a little bit more. So that's what I'm doing. So here we go. So that is a quick collage today. I didn't add anything but papers and glued them on. I didn't add any other media to it, so it was a very quick project. But I like it, and I like how it looks when I got done. And so hopefully you do too. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like my channel, please be sure to subscribe so that you can see when I upload more videos. And if you like this video, hit like. It always helps out when you like the video. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, and Merry Christmas.